Airwallex has become one of the most powerful financial platforms for e-commerce merchants looking to streamline global payments, cut costs, and scale faster. Its features are designed to simplify how businesses send, receive, and manage money across borders without relying on traditional banks that slow things down or charge excessive fees. One of the best features of Airwallex is its multi-currency business account. Merchants can open and manage accounts in over 10 major currencies, including USD, Euro, GBP, and AUD, all from a single dashboard. This means you can receive payments from international customers directly in their preferred currency without forced conversions or unnecessary fees. It allows e-commerce stores to operate globally while keeping more of their earnings. Another major advantage is borderless payments. Airwallex enables fast, low-cost international transfers to over 150 countries. It bypasses traditional SWIFT networks and uses local payment rails, which makes cross-border transactions almost instant and much cheaper. This is especially useful for merchants who pay international suppliers or freelancers regularly. The Airwallex payment gateway integrates seamlessly with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Magento. It allows merchants to accept payments in multiple currencies and automatically settle them into their Airwallex account. This helps avoid conversion losses and gives full control over when and how funds are transferred. For businesses that deal with team expenses or remote employees, Airwallex provides virtual and physical multi-currency cards. These cards can be issued instantly to team members, allowing them to make purchases online or in-store while spending directly from the business account in supported currencies. Admins can set limits, track spending in real time, and eliminate the headaches of reimbursement. Airwallex also shines in its expense management tools. The platform includes built-in automation that categorizes spending, matches receipts, and integrates seamlessly with accounting tools like Xero and QuickBooks. This simplifies bookkeeping and ensures accurate financial reporting without manual data entry. Security and compliance are at the heart of Airwallex's system. The platform is regulated in multiple jurisdictions, using advanced encryption and fraud prevention technology. Every transaction is monitored to maintain compliance and protect both merchants and their customers. Finally, Airwallex's API and developer tools make it easy for tech-driven businesses to integrate global payments directly into their systems. Whether it's automating currency conversion, managing payouts to suppliers, or building custom checkout experiences, Airwallex gives developers the flexibility to tailor financial operations to business needs. For e-commerce merchants, these features combine to create a modern financial infrastructure that's fast, efficient, and built for international growth. With Airwallex, merchants gain the advantage of managing all financial operations in one secure and scalable platform, from receiving payments and paying suppliers to issuing cards and reconciling accounts, all designed to support borderless business.